Is your Microsoft Edge not opening? Or maybe it's opening but not responding and you don't know how to fix that? Don't worry, you've come to the right video. Hi, my name is Chala and I'm going to guide you through the process of fixing the Microsoft Edge not opening or not responding issues. So let's just get started. Now we're going to look at this with two different point of views. Point of view number one, it's not opening at all. Now what you want to do for that is, you need to be repairing that. We just have to go to the start button, do a right click, go to settings. Once you go to settings, there will be an option called apps. Click on that. Inside this search button, what you want to be doing is search Edge, Microsoft Edge, as you can see here. Click on that. There will be an option called modify. After clicking the modify, a new window will pop up. What you want to be doing is just repair this. Click on this repair button and it will start the repairing. And this should actually fix your Microsoft Edge not opening issue. In case it doesn't, you can also try to update your Windows to the latest version. And now comes the point of view number two. Your Microsoft Edge is opening, but it's not responding. So what you want to be doing is just open your Microsoft Edge. Click on this three dots to the right hand side, go to settings. Once the settings open up, what you want to be doing is just go to the option called reset settings. Once you click on that, there will be an option called restore settings to the default values. Click on that and just click on this reset. It will immediately start resetting all of your values, and once this option pops up, settings will reset. Just close this and open your Microsoft Edge one more time again, and it will start working absolutely fine. It should respond, it should open fine. There should not be any more issues. So I hope this video fixed your issue, and if it did, please let me know down in the comment section below. And thanks for watching. Hopefully you have a great day, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.